What we got here is an Etenwolf tire pressure gauge. As you can see, I got gauges that go anywhere from a couple, I would say $100 plus or minus a little blue point, which is snap-on. Big money here, okay? We got this one. This was one of my most accurate gauges right here. This one was good till I think plus or minus 2 pounds or half a pound, something like that. We got the cheapy deepy one that they sell everywhere, which is garbage. You don't ever want these. These are inaccurate. Good for emergency, but if it came down to it, very inaccurate. We got these. These are ones I use for the tractor trailers. You put air in it and it has a built-in gauge right here. You see, as you put the air in, you see it pop up. It gives you a reading. Somewhat accurate. But now what we got here is the boss, Etenwolf. Okay? Here's the side of the box. 3 to 200 PSI range. Plus or minus 1 pound PSI. That's their accuracy right there. Okay? NGB 40.7. Works in these temperatures, -4 to 130 degrees. LED display. Here's the back of the box. Comes with batteries, Schrader valve, adapter. There's your calibration sheet showing you the accuracy. We're gonna open up and I'm gonna show you what we look like, okay? We're gonna open it up. Nice box, good quality. In the video description, I'll have a link to where you can purchase your own. And you're gonna be shocked at the price. What is this, an iPhone in here or what? They take pride in their quality, as you can see from the box alone. Boom. If you see right here, it's been tested 3 times. You had someone inspected to check the accuracy of the calibration, okay? Inspector Lee, good man. Sure, he done hundreds of these. Here's your instruction sheet, how to install the batteries. Here's a manual, which they also put inside a protective sleeve. Let's see. Slide that out. I ain't gonna bore you and show you all this. I'll explain to you what we get. Put that aside. No cheapy deepy generic batteries. You got Duracell. I'm gonna open it up and install the batteries. Last but not least, we have the air pressure gauge. Good solid plastic. This is how you open the battery compartment. You got a tab here. You're gonna pinch it, pop it open. Inside you have your adapter valve. We don't need. You're gonna put your batteries in. Flat side goes to the spring always. So opposite will be this, like so. Push it back in. Boom. Push the button. It also has a little light right there, LED, in case you want to check your tire pressure in the middle of the night when the moon is not out. Boom, we got you covered there. Okay. There's your reading right here. Self-explanatory. I'm gonna show you now on the truck what we got. Okay. Like I said, Etenwolf air pressure gauge. I'm gonna try out Blue Point. Like I said, forgot this was like at least anywhere between $100 and $150, somewhere in here. Okay, LED as well. This, you got the chuck for tires. So let's see what we got here. 42 pounds exactly. Like I said, this one's pricey. Now we're gonna go with the cheapy deepy one, which I never recommend you get, but let's see. According to this one, we're up pretty much, this one's reading 44 pounds. Let's try one more time. Now we're reading just 45 pounds, as you can see here. That's why I said these are junk. That blue point was 42 and we're here 45, junk. This was one of my accurate gauges that I used in my Jeep many times. Dual chuck as well. Let's go. This one's reading 41, 42, 42 and a half maybe, okay? Then you push this button, it resets it, okay? This was another one, like I said, highly recommended. Now we got the new Challenger in the house here. Like I said, in the description, I'll have a link to where you can purchase your own. Let's go. We're gonna put it on, push the button once, boom. Once it goes to 0 pounds, it's ready to read, so. 42.9. So like I said, you can have this one here for $100 to $150. I forgot, bought it a long time ago. Or you could buy this one for 13 bucks. Which one would you rather have? You can see the accuracy here. This unit here also does bar, PSI, and KPA. Now to switch between bar, KPA, PSI, you're just gonna push the button once. KPA, this is America, we don't use this. Push it again, there's your bar pressure, which we don't use. We're in America. PSI, you leave it at PSI. Like I said, it has the light on here for when you're in the dark. We're gonna try it one more time. Come close. Push it in, boom. You're gonna hold it, it stops moving, 42.7. You don't use the unit for 30 seconds, it automatically shuts off. To shut it off, push the button, hold it down, boom, it's off. Very good company here, they stand by their product. I showed you on my truck, the PSI, it works for lawnmowers, trucks, cars, bicycles, you name it. Right here we have a lawnmower tractor. I'm gonna take out the cap. We're gonna turn on our Etenwolf. Look at that light, so good. PSI, put it in, boom, 8.6 pounds, okay? I run my tires anywhere from 8 to 10, so we're accurate right here, okay? This is an Amazon choice right now. Highly recommend it. Got a 4.8 stars out of many votes, okay? Out of many reviews. You know this is a good quality product right here when you get on Amazon choice. I'm gonna show you on the bicycle. I'm gonna take it, gonna turn it on. Light comes on automatically. Gonna go. Put it in. 16.7 PSI, which is about right. Like I said, very accurate gauge. Buy it, throw it in your glove box whenever emergency might arise. Good to go, okay? Like I said, very good product, reliable. Questions, comment, leave them below. I get back to everyone. Hope that video helped you. If it did, please subscribe. Take care, fellas.